Hello, buddy. Welcome back to Make Money Audit. And today's audit, we're going to do another one on Wholesale Ted. Her claim is new Claude code AI side hustles making people rich. Go ahead and listen to it a little bit here before I do my audit.
What if I told you that you can combine Claude Code with Nano Banana AI to autonomously copy online businesses earning over 100K per month? Seriously, it's kind of crazy, but the way that Claude Code can now automate content and product generation is genuinely game changing. So thank you to Higgsfield for sponsoring today's video. And now let's just jump straight into it. And first up, I'll be using Claude Code to automate the creation of.
All right. So this one, let me go ahead and get into the audit here. So Wholesale Ted says the Claude code side hustle is making people rich. That basically gets her a D. For unrealistic time frame, unrealistic expectation. The stuff that she does is legitimate, but again, she just has no clue, or she does, and she just doesn't care. Most of, I'm going to say, these people don't care. They only want you to drive into their stuff, watch their videos so they can make some money. Which I get it, but your claims again are just crap. So every income number is an estimator tool run on someone else's business, someone else's book, someone else's Etsy store, someone else's viral video. She shows you how to make the product. She never shows you $1 of her own from any of them. Okay. That's the thing is these gurus and these fake BSers will show you how to do it, but they don't show you the back end where the whole thing lies. How long does it take to make your money? Is the product or the idea saturated? Is it a waste of time, or what do you got to go? I mean, she has, Canva, high affiliate links. Okay, we get all that. But, you know, 1.48 million subscribers. How blind are you guys? How blind can you be? Okay. So here's where things go. 3 side hustles, 3 income claimed. Everyone is an estimator run on stranger's business, never hers. The book royalty is a guess about someone else's book. The 14,900 sales on Etsy store is someone else. The $11 million view video is someone else's, not $1 is hers, okay? So we're pitching a claim. I get it. They're viable ideas like all the other ones, but they don't have expectation of a realistic time frame to make your money. And selling KDP books, really? Holy crap. Everybody's selling KDP books. You're never going to make any money on it. And Amazon, one wrong hiccup, one picture looks like something else, you get a copyright claim and your account is dead. KDP is a dead niche. Dead. Just do not do it. If you want to do it, go ahead. I mean, I did it for 5 years and I had one book, one coloring book, come back with an image that looked similar to a popular comic individual. I challenged it. My image did not look like they said, and my account was banned. So 5 years worth of work gone with one image. Very, very, very careful there. Okay. So she generates a book, clip art, the video, fun part. Yeah, blah, blah. We all know that's fun. Then she skips to the hard part. She doesn't even do it. I don't have time for boring details or getting it on Amazon or ranking it. Really? Why would you not do that? If you're going to claim it, do it. That's where the money and the competition are. See, yeah, because she doesn't want to show you guys that, like this ebook here, probably, or these children's books probably have hundreds of thousands of people selling them. So you're dead there. The $11 million video is, and the 14,900 sales are stores with winners she shows you. Not the flood of AI books, clip art, and shop videos that made nothing. She even mentions how many new stores keep popping up. Yeah, everybody gets Claude or Chat TBT or Chat GPT, and then think, yeah, I'm the next guru, next millionaire. I'm the one. No, you're just wasting your money, and you're failing. Okay, so what's real? Okay, we obviously know the Claude code in Higginsfield. The workflow that generally works, she's upfront and sponsored the numbers. Yeah, we know she's getting that. The making the people rich claim is what's wrong. It does not make you rich. It makes you broke. There's the key word. Her idea makes you broke. Any one of these ideas, if you have Claude, take the URL, go into Claude and ask it to reverse engineer these ideas. Ask it for realistic timeframes. Ask it to give you some type of guideline if you want to proceed. There it is. These guys and her is like one of the other ones. Fake claims, unrealistic time frame, and she's just trying to get you to buy her shit. Excuse me. So, sorry about that, everybody. Still fighting a cold. Basically, again, I'm not going to keep going into great details. She gets a D. Her claim is legitimate, but the time and everything else is unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Look forward to making the next video. Like and subscribe. And if you do any of these things right now and you're still in doing them, drop a comment. Let's talk. Let me see what you guys did. How long it took for you to get there. How much money did you have to spend to get there? Let me know. I appreciate it. Talk to you guys later.